It's becoming a cornerstone of the future energy mix. Climate urgency, energy security, and new tech like small modular reactors are reigniting interest. Well, Dr. Sama Bilbao y León is Director General of the World Nuclear Association and spoke to my colleague Julia Caesar, explaining why she feels nuclear must be at the forefront of future energy plans.
Our goal is to actually at least triple global nuclear capacity by 2050, which sounds like a very ambitious goal, but it's really not. If we actually triple, in 2050, it will be still 10% of global nuclear capacity. You know why? Because the demand for electricity is simply exploding. I mean, it's not just AI, which this is obviously first in all of our minds, but think about it, we are electrifying everything. Transportation, we are all moving to heat pumps. We are trying to make everything electric, so the demand for electricity is exploding.
I mean, obviously the world is looking for clean energy for the future. How clean is nuclear?
Look at the life cycle. You have to look at the life cycle, not just the generation. It's the lowest carbon emissions energy equivalent to wind. So those are the two lowest carbon emission energy generation sources that we have today.
So how safe is nuclear power? Because many people will remember Chernobyl, they'll remember Fukushima, and they'll think, should we be putting all of our efforts into nuclear?
You know, nuclear energy has provided 10% of global electricity for the last 5 decades. And we've been doing this very quietly, very safely, very reliably. Nobody thinks about this, but it's 10% of global electricity, the largest source of carbon-free electricity in OECD countries.
So what are the major challenges that the industry faces going forward?
As you know, in many countries in the world, in North America and Europe, we have not built nuclear power plants in a few decades. So we really are rebuilding our capabilities. So we are rebuilding supply chains, we are rebuilding industrial infrastructures, workforce, because we really need to scale at the speed that is needed to actually deliver, as we were discussing, what the world needs.
Dr. Sama Bilbao y León there.